A researcher is collecting data about the amount of hours worked by store employees in a county. In a random sample of 40 employees, the mean number of hours worked was 29.6 hours. Assume the population standard deviation is 7.9 hours. Construct a 95% confidence interval for the population mean hours worked, and then interpret the results. So we want to organize our information. N is 40, X bar is 29.6, sigma is 7.9, and our confidence level is 0.95. So now I want to use the z-interval command on the calculator. So we are going to type all of our information under the z-interval command, and then press calculate. And our confidence interval, if we round it to two places, is 27.15 to 32.05. So that is our confidence interval. And what that means is, with 95% confidence, we can say that the true population mean number of hours worked is between 27.15 and 32.05 hours.